Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. On today's video I will be discussing the Bitcoin price action, where we have been seeing a very significant breakdown here of this symmetrical triangle, where we even saw first a fake out towards the upside. So on today's video we are going to discuss the Bitcoin price action, where we are right now seeing, of course, this breakdown and even this retest of the symmetrical triangle as well. I will be going over the weekly time frame right now, since this is a very important thing to look at, because Bitcoin is right now looking to get rejected by this critical level of previous very strong weekly resistance, weekly support, and right now once again acting as weekly resistance. So make sure that you're going to watch this video till the end, because there are going to be a lot of discussion points as well on the Bitcoin 4-hourly and 1-hourly chart. So if you're not willing to miss out on this next move that Bitcoin is about to get creating, make sure that you're first of all going to smash up that like button and make sure to watch the video till the end. And of course, guys, the more people that are going to right now smash up that like button, the more viral cryptocurrency content is going. And the more viral cryptocurrency content is going, the more people will be getting exposed to crypto. So make sure that you're at least going to smash up that like button and make it blue right now here. And if you're enjoying these update videos, make sure that you're right now as well going to smash up that subscribe button and ring the bell notification, so you're not going to miss out on any of these further updates that we are going to bring out on this channel to you guys. So with this all out of the way, I'll be right now discussing the Bitcoin price section. So it looks to be that Bitcoin is once again failing to hold on towards very important support. So you can see over here, previous support over here, once again providing a support. It looks to be that on our previous 4-hourly candle we broke down, and right now we are retesting previous support as resistance. So this is of course quite terrible to see here as well. If you're looking at the top side, resistance, break above, fake out towards the upside, and then of course saw a very severe correction. What usually Bitcoin is doing on these Mondays, usually Bitcoin is bearish on a Monday if we're looking back to previous price action. As well, after that we were seeing a very severe correction towards the downside, and we're right now retesting our previous support line. So maybe you're going to say, but Rover, this resistance line on the top side is not very significant. If you're going to approach it differently, it looks to be still that we're breaking down of this symmetrical triangle and that we're right now retesting previous support as resistance. So if you're going to approach from here on, resistance, of course, a clear rejection by that point, and support, and we're right now falling below it, and we are retesting it as resistance at the time of speaking. So make sure that you're going to pay attention towards it. Yes, we are trading still on a very critical level of horizontal support, like you can see over here. Previous major support, previous major support over here, previous major resistance, of course, played out here, and once again support. And right now we're trying to get support by this level. So if we're going to fail to hold on towards the 47.7k here, I personally do expect lower prices getting reached here. And right now, since of course the Bitcoin weekly time frame has been not able to close above the 49.2k, this looks quite bearish, of course. So let me discuss right now, before going into the 4-hour and 1-hourly candles, to discuss what is going to happen in the immediate short term here, guys. Let me quickly talk about this here, because this looks quite shocking for Bitcoin right now here, and I've been saying it several times already on the channel that of course if we're looking to momentum indicators on the weekly, we are looking very healthy. That on the daily we are seeing right now that basically the market structure is bearish and all the momentum indicators are bearish. But if you want to be seeing that, make sure to go to my Twitter page here, or just go to my YouTube page here and go to the tweet here, and you can see the link to the video where we were discussing the reason why the market is right now looking so bearish on the daily time frame. But let me go right now over the weekly. On the weekly time frame, of course, we have been seeing a major level of previous support, major level over here of previous resistance. And let me extend this line over here real quickly to this line over here, excuse me, like this. So you can see over here, previous major resistance, previous major support, previous major support over there. And right now we are retesting this level. And this is, of course, very significant, where you should be paying attention towards, because a lot of people, once again, are not paying attention towards the weekly time frame. Well, you should be doing so right now here. So as well, a thing that you have to know, the first red weekly candle close since the past since the past 5 weekly candle close over there. So we're seeing, of course, 5 weekly candles closing in the green in a row, and right now we're seeing a red one. So this could be maybe of course giving us a signal that we could be cooling off here. especially right now since we're running into resistance, and especially because the daily time frame is looking pretty bearish right now here. So personally, I do still expect, like I explained in my video yesterday, and once again going to say this, make sure that you're going to go to the channel and check out this the latest video here. Huge warning for all the Bitcoin holders, and it's definitely no clickbait. You should be definitely checking out, and it's definitely a big warning for all the holders out there. But it looks to be that we're right now getting rejected. And our next major level of weekly support and daily support will be trading around to 42.4k. And of course, major levels of other daily support is trading around to 40.5k. So it could be so that we're going to retrace back towards this level before once again crushing towards a new all-time high. So make sure that you're going to pay attention towards. But then let me go right away into the 4 hourly candles before moving back towards 1 hourly candles to discuss the imminent short term here. Let me talk a little bit about what is Bitcoin going to do most likely the coming few hours here. So if I'm going to look at this chart here, and before I'm going to go into the momentum indicators, you can see, of course, we set up a Fibonacci from the swing high towards swing low to identify some retracement levels here. And you can see right now, we got clearly rejected by the 0.786 here, 0.618 here, providing very strong support while falling below it, providing major resistance. And right now, we are getting very well supported by the golden pocket entry, aka the 0.382 here. It could be so that we're going to find some more support and we're going to move back towards the 0.5. For sure, possibility for Bitcoin to do. That's approximately a $300 pump towards the upside. But if we're not able to close the 4 hourly candle above that level once again, we are most likely going to fall further. And if I'm personally going to see a 4 hourly candle below the golden pocket entry, so below the 47.9k for Bitcoin, I mean the 47.2k is going to be imminent. And since right now, if I'm going to remove the drawing, and going to just purely look at the 4 hourly candles, I mean, I want to be still raising the awareness. We are clearly right now still in a downtrend. You can see lower high getting created here. This is, of course, we formed a higher high, but not a very beautiful higher high. So right now it looks to be still forming a lower high on this current trend as well here. So it looks to be that we're once again forming lower lows, lower highs here. The 4 hourly candles is definitely in a downtrend. And if we're going to look at the momentum indicators, it is looking quite healthy, to be very honest. We're looking in a healthy downtrend. We're not seeing any reversal signals whatsoever right now here. As well, if I'm going to enable the MACD and the money flow, I mean, we are seeing just a healthy downtrend getting created on the 4 hourly candle. So there's nothing special to see here. It looks to be that we're still going to continue the downtrend. And as long as I'm not seeing a reversal signal on all the momentum indicators, I will be not flipping bullish, and I will be for sure not looking to open a long position yet here. So make sure, first of all, to keep your eyes out here on my Twitter page here at RoverCSC if you want to be joining me with a trade, because yes, I'm going to do more trades here in the future, but I want to be having a good opportunity. So as long as if there is not an opportunity, I can't be trading it, and I will be not opening a trade. But as soon as we're seeing an opportunity, and opportunities could be rising very quickly in the market, Bitcoin is very volatile, so it could be showing up anytime soon here. But if you want to be joining me with the next trade, first of all, make sure that you're going to follow me here on Twitter at RoverCRC. And as well, if you're not even going to trade here, make sure to still follow me on Twitter, because we're giving a very important market updates over here. So make sure to hit that follow button over there as well. After that, you could be signing up right now with Bybit in the link in the description. You could be signing up your account here to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and different cryptocurrencies. And you will be as well getting a $3,000 deposit bonus if you're going to use my link in the description to sign up right now here. So what you could be literally doing here is deposit some funds. You will be getting a $3,000 deposit bonus. And after that, you could be literally withdraw your funds and you still have the very beautiful deposit bonus here. So make sure that you're going to check that out here. Sign up with Bybit in the link in the description. Definitely worth to check out here. I'm trading on Bybit as well here. And soon, once I'm seeing an opportunity, I will be starting off the 1 towards 2 Bitcoin trading challenge. I will be trading 1 Bitcoin and trying to get it to 2 Bitcoin. And of course, guys, like you already know, I'm going to be completely transparent, and I'm going to share all my things that I'm going to do with this challenge on my Twitter page and, of course, on YouTube here. But, of course, for the real-time updates, I should highly suggest to follow me on Twitter. So let me right now move further in towards the chart here, and let me right now as well discuss the Bitcoin 1 hourly candles to determine on what we are most likely going to see here in the coming hours here. So Bitcoin on the 1 hour, we as well set up a Fibonacci, and we'll be once again talking about the momentum behind the 1 hourly candles in a second. That you can see here, swing low towards swing high to identify some retracement levels. You can see right now, of course, we formed clearly, if I'm going to quickly remove this one before going back in towards the Fibonacci to identify the market structure, you can see here high getting created, lower high getting created, lower low getting created, lower low getting created. So what are we basically seeing? We are sitting in a downtrend. So as long as I'm not seeing a reversal signal on the MACD or on the momentum indicators, I will be not flipping bullish yet on the 1 hourly candle. So What we're right now seeing here is that Bitcoin got very well supported by the 0.618 here, major level of support, of course, like we have been seeing as well. If we're going to just look back into the past, you can see over here as well. This is right now a level that we're trading against, by the way. You can see previous resistance, support over here, resistance over there, support over there, support over there. And right now we are literally retesting this level. So this is pretty interesting what we're right now having here. And I should highly pay attention towards this level and zone right now here, since we are first of all right now trading against the 0.5 in the Fibonacci, what is a major level resistance, of course, and of course against this resistance box. So this could be for sure be the perfect ingredient for a retracement on Bitcoin. But for sure, if we're going to be able to close a 1 hourly candle above the 48 point, let's say 48.1k to as well break above the orange box, we are going to for sure most likely see Bitcoin climbing back towards the 48.4k in my opinion. So looking forward towards where we are going to end, of course. And for sure, this is going to be a major opportunity that everyone could be taking right now here, since personally, I do expect that we're going to see a lower price getting reached here. 0.5 has been already providing us major amounts of resistance, and you should be paying attention towards the trend right now here. But if I'm purely going to look right now as well at momentum indicators, it looks to be that the MACD is right now shifting its trend. It looks to be that the MACD has been forming. Let me make this white for a second here. The MACD has been forming a higher low here, while the price actually still have been forming a lower low. So the MACD is right now telling us on the 1 hourly candles that the sellers are losing their strength here, and that the buyers are regaining the strength right in the market, and that could be leading towards a minor move towards the upside for Bitcoin before maybe going further down. And of course, if we are going to be able to let's say set a higher high than this previous high over here, we could be once again starting an uptrend. But right now the market structure is definitely bearish. We are seeing a minor trend reversal signal on the MACD, but unfortunately, if I'm enabling the different momentum indicators over here, I am not seeing any divergence yet here. So it's only on the MACD right now, and the RSI and the money flow is still looking like we are in a healthy downtrend. So that is the reason why I still will be saying to everyone, be extremely cautious right now here. Definitely make sure that you are going to check out this previous video here on the channel to find out about what my strategy is right now here on the market. And guys, this was already it for today's update video. I will be trying to drop out another update video. We're going to see, of course, some more important market development, and I will be for sure dropping out another video about the Ethereum price section and maybe about the special coin as well here. So guys, let me know what you guys want me to talk about. And with that out of the way, guys, thank you so much for watching once again to this amazing new video here on the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.